In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a PDF file in Google Docs. Whether you need to translate a document for school, work, or just for fun, Google Docs makes it incredibly simple. So let's start the video. First, open drive.google.com. Make sure you are logged in. Now click on the new button in the top left corner of the screen and select File Upload from the menu. Here, browse and select the PDF file that you want to translate and click on Open button. With the PDF uploaded in Google Drive, click on the three dots next to PDF file and hover your cursor over Open with and then select Google Docs from the menu. This will open the PDF file in Google Docs. Now click on the Tools tab in the main menu and then click on Translate Document. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the file name for the new translated document and select the language in which you want to translate the document. We are going to select Spanish. Now click on Translate button. Google Docs will create a translated version of your document. As you can see, the document is now translated into Spanish. Now it's time to save this Google Docs document as PDF file. So click on the File tab, hover your cursor over Download, and then click on PDF document from the menu. Click on the newly downloaded PDF file. So this is the translated version of our original PDF file. So that's how to translate PDF in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.